Checking out this voltage converter. It's a transformer, 5,000 watt. This is real heavy duty. It can step up 120 into 240. It's from VEVOR. This is the box it arrives in. Get a manual right off the bat, a 3-prong outlet because it's going to plug into your 120 volt wall system. This is what it looks like with the styrofoam and the corner protectors. Let's pull it out of the box here. What's nice is I can pull this top stuff off. If I want to store it in here, this gives me everything I need to store it in the box. But once I pull the styrofoam and corner protectors off, I can lift it by its 2 handles, which makes it real easy to pull out and get ready to get into action. We'll pull the styrofoam off the bottom, and we can remove this plastic bag. Once it's out of the bag, you can see you've got 2 nice handles for movement, carrying it around. Got a circuit breaker over here on the side, that's handy. Once it's turned on, we'll turn it on. We've got USB ports, we've got output indicators. Of course, we have 3 standard power plugs, but then we also have the 220, 240 plugs as well. So this is truly a great unit if you're looking for portability and you're looking for true conversion from 120 up to 240. Now these sockets are set up for the EU standard, and there is a switch on the back if you want to plug this in to a 220 system. 3 levels of protection with an overload, short circuit, and overcurrent protection. And this is designed for 24/7 continuous use. Hope this helps. I'd like to thank VEVOR for sending us this one to check out.